Good day, sir. I am Jason D. Coro from section S4G. So today, sir, I will be explaining the hydrostatic table for ship. So, ang hydrostatic table is a very important document sa ship stability. It shows the relationship between draft, displacement, buoyancy, and trim. Igamit ni siya to ensure safe loading and safe operation sa barko. In simple words, hydrostatic table tells us how the ship behaves in water. So, what is draft? Draft is the distance from the keel to the water line. Ang draft mao ang kalalom sa barko sa tubig. These are three drafts. So, draft forward, draft aft, main draft. So, ang formula ani is, ang main draft equals draft forward plus draft aft. Divide 2. So, ang given is draft forward equals 7.00 meters. Then, ang draft aft is equals to 9.50 meters. So, ang main draft nila is equals to 7.00 meters plus 9.50 meters. Divide 2. So, ang total is main draft is equals to 8.25 meters. So, the ship is trimmed, meaning dili pantay ang forward ug aft draft. So, direta sa trim of the ship. So, ang formula is trim draft aft minus draft forward. So, trim is equals to 9.50 minus 7.00. So, ang total is trim is equals to 2.50 meters. The ship is trimmed by stern. So, meaning, mas lalom ang likod kaysa sa atubangan. So, displacement. So, ang displacement, ang definition sa displacement is the total weight of the ship. Displacement, mao ang weight sa barko including ship weight, cargo, fuel, ballast, crew, stores. So, displacement equals the weight of water displaced by the ship. Mas deeper ang draft, mas bigger ang displacement. So, dito sa TPC. So, ang TPC, ang meaning po sa TPC, tons per centimeter immersion. So, ang TPC is the weight needed to change draft by 1 centimeter. Sa simple words, pila ka tons kinahanglan para mulubog ang barko og 1 centimeter. So, ang formula ani is change in draft equals weight added divide TPC. If TPC is high, it means more weight is needed to change draft. So, dito sa MTC. So, ang MTC, meaning sa MTC is moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. It is the force needed to change trim by 1 centimeter. Unit is ton meter. Mas dako ang MTC, mas lisod i-change ang trim. Used ni siya when moving cargo forward or aft. So, dito sa LCB. Ang LCB is longitudinal center of buoyancy. So, ang meaning sa LCB is the center of buoyancy along the ship length. LCB mao ang point where buoyancy force acts. It is measured from midship. If LCB moves forward or aft, trim will change. Buoyancy keeps the ship floating. So, dito sa LCF, longitudinal center of flotation. LCF, so ang meaning sa LCF is the point where the ship trims or rotates. LCF mao ang pivot point sa barko. When cargo is added forward or aft, ship rotates around LCF. Importante ni siya sa trim calculation. So, in conclusion, hydrostatic table helps us understand ship behavior in water. We learned about draft, trim, displacement, TPC, MTC, LCB, and LCF. These values help maintain ship stability and safety. Salamat, sir.